How to store pizza dough in the fridge the right way. Pizza. To store pizza dough in the fridge, place it in a greased, airtight container or a bowl covered tightly with plastic wrap, ensuring enough space for it to rise. The dough can be refrigerated for 3 to 5 days, and its flavor will develop further during this time. Before using, let the dough sit at room temperature for 1 to 2 hours to make it easier to stretch. Storage steps. Prepare the dough. After kneading and your first rise, divide the dough into portions if desired, or leave it as one large ball. Grease and container. Lightly coat the dough with olive oil, then place it in a large, well-greased bowl or container. The container should be large enough to accommodate the dough as it expands, possibly doubling in size. Cover. Seal the container with a tight-fitting lid or cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap to prevent it from drying out. Refrigerate. Place the covered container in the refrigerator. Use. When you are ready to use the dough, take it out and let it sit at room temperature for about 1 to 2 hours to allow it to warm up and become easier to shape. Tips for better storage. Flavor development. Refrigerating dough allows it to undergo a slow fermentation, which develops a more complex and richer flavor. Longevity. Store the dough for up to 3 to 5 days for the best quality. Over time, the yeast can consume all its food, leading to a dough that is tougher or has an overly sour taste. Signs of over-fermentation. If the dough smells very sour or feels dry and hard to shape, it may have over-fermented and could be overproofed.